So today I'm going to steam two fish Jamaican style. Have my thing them cut up already. I love my vegetable bad. So as you can see now, everything inside my pot. I simmer down. I just stir in my little goodies them with a nice little touch of butter. Cover it up and let it steam. Yeah man, good to go. I don't know, I love cooking, guys. I really love cooking. I just don't have the time to video myself doing certain things. Cut up my nice okra. I love okra bad. Me is a okra baby. Proper okra baby. Yeah. I'm still gonna put more okra in there now. Yeah man. Real Jamaican girl. Maybe that's why I'm having boy them. And a ram for steam up the nice strong back fish. You see it? Stir it in. Yeah man. Cover it up now and make it simmer. Few minutes out of simmer. I can't guess what going on now.
I love my okras. If you're wondering, what's she doing with so much okras? I love my okras. As you can see, I love my vegetable. This is why my pot looks like this. Alright, I'm gonna cover it and allow it to steam. So just a little tip of water and let it steam and do the rest all on its own. Alright? Nice.
Look at that. So
even
rich.
The color change, everything is just beautiful.
Well rich.
I don't want nothing to cook.
The aroma right now in the house. The aroma. So breathtaking. Look at that sexy bossy fish.
This side is just for me.
This is red snapper, guys.
Yes. Can me alone ever eat all of this? Late hours a night.
Proper red snapper.
Fish and a fish my go for. So much say? Yes. When you love cooking, it's a different thing. Nice, right? My son is videoing. I want to learn for cook, so I'm coming in the kitchen. And this is a good way of learning. I made a record for him. He watch. If I'm not here, he steam some fish for his mother. Cover it now and let it.
Ooh.
See the heat consuming my phone. Nice. Oh,
this is so rich.
Nice. Nice. Everything is ready in my eyes. I'm ready to eat. Okay. That's it.